Yay! Got it! Well, it's not that easy. Friends, today we will be making a catapult together, but not a simple one. Check out, you need to use this catapult to hit the ring that Comic holds. Let's compete who will throw the most balls. But first, let's make this. And it's easy and simple, as usual. For this, we need cardboard, scissors, a picture of Comic, glue, wooden sticks, a bottle cap, colored paper, and any soft or easy balls. First, we need to cut the cardboard according to the following measurements. Now, we need to assemble it very carefully and glue the base. We attach the catapult mechanism to the base. Now, on the inner wall, where the ring will be, we glue the picture of Comic. And glue the ring. And our catapult is ready to be tested. Now you can gather with your friends at home and challenge them too. Look, it's not that easy. It definitely needs some skills. Almost. Did you know that the same catapults were used in ancient times to attack castles? Only instead of balls, there were huge boulders. Even more interesting games that you can create and add to your collection at home can be found on our channel. Subscribe, share videos with friends, join the Jolly Battle community on social network, and let's be friends. See you soon! Yay! Got it!